Animated information will be more attractive and eye-catching. So it stands in our memory for a long time when compared to the static data. Hello viewers, in this video I'll walk you through the animation on bar chart using Matplotlib. Subscribe to my channel to get alerts on new videos on Python and data science, and of course on the animation videos using Matplotlib. To create animations using Matplotlib, in the first place we'll have to make use of the animation module. So I'll import matplotlib.animation. In this video, I'll be animating a bar chart. So I'll need two values which are x and y to create a bar chart. X and data are two arrays, and x is going to be for the x-axis and data is going to be on the y-axis. So for this purpose, I'll be importing NumPy library. I'm also going to define the colors for all the 5 bars with this statement, where I'll give colors equal to tab blue, tab red, tab green, tab purple and orange, which will be assigned to each of the bars along the x-axis. Next comes our animation part. So we are going to use the ArtistAnimation class to create the animation. To this ArtistAnimation class, we are going to pass a list as an input, which is artist. Each entry in this list is going to be an artist object that is going to be made visible on a corresponding frame. Initially, I'm going to have a blank list for artists. I'm going to have another variable which is num. Num is typically going to be a portion of y-axis for each of the x-axis values. To create an animation on the bar chart, I need to increase the bars along the y-axis step by step, and for this purpose I'm going to use the for loop. So I have given for I in range of 5, meaning I'll be increasing the bars in 5 steps. Let me execute this code to make you understand how the animation works. So this is how I'm going to animate this bar chart, for which I'll be using 5 steps to increment along the y-axis. Now consider the first value. It is 40. I'm going to split this 40 into 5 portions. So that comes to 8. Initially, I is going to be 0. During the first iteration, it is going to be data divided by 5 minus 0, which is data divided by 5. So the values in num is going to be 40 by 5, which is 8, 125 by 5, which is 25, 30 by 5, which is 6. So this is what is going to be my num values. So I'll create a bar container with the x-axis as app1, app2, app3, app4 and app5, and the y-axis to be these set of values which are 8, 25, 6, 11 and 16. So this is the first portion of the y-axis, and all that I have to do is to keep appending each and every portion of the y-axis to this artist list. During the next iteration, when I becomes 1, the value of num is going to be data by 4. So it is 10, 31.25, 7.5, then 13.7 and then 20. That is going to be the value of num, and I'm going to append these set of values to the artist. This iteration will go on till I equal to 4. Then I'll call the artist animation by passing this artist list as one of the inputs. We can also pass another parameter which is repeat. By default, the value of repeat is true. I can also change it to false so that the animation will happen only once and then it stops after the first occurrence. If I don't give the repeat value, then the default value of true will be applied to this artist animation, where the animation will keep going on in an endless loop. Hope you have got a clear understanding on how to use artist animation for bar charts.